how to copy address from Google Maps. So now go ahead and launch the Google Maps application. Now say for example you want to copy the address of the Colosseo, then all you have to do is tap on that location and then swipe through these options until you find Share. Now a prompt will appear providing you with a variety of options. So you can share this location in Gmail or in WhatsApp messages, or you can also copy the link of this address to your clipboard. So when you tap on More, it will provide you with more options to which you can share in different social media platforms. So when you select copy to clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you like, so you can share it to your friends or you can keep it to yourself, which will direct you to this location. And so that is how you copy address from Google Maps. Thank you and have a great day.